In this video we will make A the subject of the equation or subject of the formula. So we will have to separate A, and in order to make A subject, first of all we will expand these expression. So we will multiply A by x, so we have AX, then plus B multiplied by x is BX. Then 2A multiplied by y is 2AY, and then C multiplied by y is CY. Now we have to make A the subject of formula, so we will take this 2AY on the other side of equation. So we have AX minus 2AY, and then we have to take this BX on the other side of equation, so plus BX will become minus BX. Now here we can take A common, so we will have x minus 2y in the bracket, because when we divide AX by A we will get x, and when we then minus sign, and then we divide 2AY by A, so we will get 2y, and then we have CY minus BX on the other side of equation. Now here we can see that x minus 2y is multiplying by A, so when we take this x minus 2y on the other side of equation, this will divide CY minus BX, and then we will write x minus 2y in the denominator. So here A is the subject of this equation, that is, we will write A on one side of equation, and on the other side of equation there is no A. So this is the method of making any variable a subject of equation.